Menteri ke Sarkar Jela Bah Kyrmen Shylla walong ru MLA nagaseng UDP. Hagasim balang jagatayo ulong bagalong kebakongsan ya barok bandan ke Jingiatylli ke Jingiatreilang bat ban shimlang ya ke Jingit clear kenang iakhun pyrshah ke Jingiatreilang Droks haga Jela Megalaya. Habai keren bikin patai kubor Bah Kyrmen Shylla ulong bagi Jingiat ke bami no Droks kamdai tang ke Jingit clear jong ke Sarkar ni gibor badi kimi jong ka ahan. Ndai kini kejeng kon pyrshah Droks kalong kebakongsan bahaya barok na kilong yang long sem kinong ilam shnong bat kisamla bakini snok tilang. Menteri Bah Kyrmen Shylla ula kentu beladadan manu-manu hapok kelong gieng kebasya akta kumta de ben kersha niki hagajaka ban buri. Namar kejing singap jar kanang pensniu syosyo ya kini kejing Ulong bahaga district East Jingiatylli kadai kejaka rung jaka mi kali bat kibriau bat kalong kejaka kababon kelenti hakalit kawan la kalong na kawai kejela syakawai pat ni na kawai kerish kawai pat bat kani kalabo agajing bat bentela kam ya kani kejing kabami no Droks. Menteri Sarkar ulia ro ikin hon 3 months ngobha kinong ilam balang bat kisnong kitau kibalapan soto pat ba halo kejing ta Droks ndrai kalong pat kebadan kam mene pelong syosyo yakum kini ki program baru ulapan pau bagalong badan kam ban padan benta syosyo ki samla lang bagi kamel akai bat kiwe ki kam kibatai khnang ban penkiar ki na kejing mana Droks.
Not only for drugs, for everything. But drugs also could be a part of it. And I remember at the time when Vivekananda, he was the SP there. Many times we got drugs. And even the recent SP also, we used to catch a lot of drugs. So that is how we try to tackle. But to enter Meghalaya, not only one route. We have so many routes, international and even the state connectivity is there. But East Jingiatylli is one only, but not the only. East Jingiatylli is one route, but not the only route that drugs can come to our state. So we have to think and then take a proper action where even the other route also should be well protected. Otherwise, if we concentrate only East Jingiatylli, what if it comes from where else and they sell it to East Jingiatylli? So I am here not to blame anybody. It could be from anywhere. Whenever there's from Jingiatylli, I have seen our police officers, they take care, the narcotic team is there, and most of the time they catch them. But still drug is still involved within our state. So for this, I would like to request all the officers, especially the district SPs, that they should be take it seriously within their own district, so that even they also will tackle the drugs together with us, and then we can make it. And I could see that our children in East Jingiatylli, as of now, I don't know exactly the numbers, but we are one of the highest maybe in the state when it comes to users of drugs. So one day I could see it will be the light of the day that our children will be aware of drugs. They will be no one, and that will be the achievement. So hoping for what that they could overcome drugs. Many NGOs and the church leaders and the community, they started to give that awareness whenever they have the opportunity. And I myself, whenever I got a chance to speak in public speech, I give my speech in such a way that drug is one thing that you have to avoid, and then make understood to your children so that they go away of drugs, not to involve in drugs. And we try to implement this different kind of football field, and then give them activities so that they change instead of wasting the time doing nothing and then involved in drugs. By giving them opportunity, they can divert themselves. All these things we are trying, but again I'll come back, without everyone's support, not impossible. Possible, wherever feasible, they have tried, and that need not just the direction of the government. I've seen many houses, they did it by themselves for the security. So we feel it is our responsibility to do that, to keep the CCTV wherever we feel is required. But even the government also should have a direction. I think they do have the direction. The big store and all, they do have a CCTV camera. But if we can come up with a large picture, nothing like it. But whatever we have, though is not enough, but I really appreciate those who keep their CCTV camera. That will be the safety for themselves and for all of us.